मत देखना, पीछे मत मुड़ना, चिल्लाते लोग जिंदा या मुर्दा। जरा सोच कभी तू भी वही था, पर तुझ में थी वीरता, हाँ तू ही सही था। सब में चलती है आग जिसे अक्सर बुझने देते हैं हम, अंत में बचती है राख जो करती हिम्मत और भी कम। करनी है पूरी अपनी खुराक, लगेगा सिर्फ एक ही जन्म, लपटे उठेगी राख से, बस रखना है आगे कदम। पड़ेंगे पीछे लोग और मारेंगे ताने, उनकी मत सुनो, ये भूखे बेचारे जाने गंजाने के बस खाते हैं दाने। ये लोग खुद को न पहचाने तो सोचो कैसे आएंगे हमें बचाने। नाकामयाबी का जब पड़ता है अंधेरा, नहीं समझते सब और लगता है अकेला, तब भूलो ना क्या क्या तुमने झेला, क्योंकि आता है अंधेरा ताकि आ सके सवेरा। पकड़ो मेरा हाथ, कूदो तुम ऊंचाई से, जाएंगे नीचे नहीं और भी ऊंचाई पे, जहाँ पे जीत की पुकार भी सुनाई दे, इस बात की मेरी पूरी जिंदगी गवाही दे। पकड़ो मेरा हाथ, कूदो तुम ऊंचाई से, जाएंगे नीचे नहीं और भी ऊंचाई पे, जहाँ पे जीत की पुकार भी सुनाई दे, इस बात की मेरी पूरी जिंदगी गवाही दे। बनाने लेजेंड बनानी बस अपनी जगह, देना नहीं 100% 200 तो पावर लगा। किस्मत को भूल मत अपनी वजह, लगी है चोट वरदान है ना कोई सजा।
We wrote the list of derivatives. So we started with derivative of x raised to n. Now derivative of constant is 0. Then we wrote this one. D by dx of x raised to n. That is n x raised to n minus 1. Then its application. Two more formulas. Actually, if we get d by dx of root x, if we get d by dx of root x, directly write the answer as 1 by 2 root x. Actually, root x means x raised to 1 by 2. According to this formula, it is 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2, is it? That is 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 root x. So instead of writing all these things, treat this as a standard formula. Whenever root x comes, directly write 1 by 2 root x. Similarly, whenever d by dx of 1 by x comes, minus this, also take it as a standard formula, minus 1 by x square. Reason, 1 by x means x raised to minus 1. X raised to minus 1, minus 1, x raised to minus 1 minus 1, which is minus 1 x raised to minus 2, that is minus 1 by x square. So instead of doing all those things, directly write this one. So actually these two, they are the application of x raised to n. Application of x raised to n. So learn this also as direct formula, d by dx of root x, d by dx of 1 by x. Then you don't have e raised to x and log x. Okay. So first we said constant, then x raised to n. Now, those 6 trigonometric ratios, d by dx of sin x, that is cos x. Using first principle, we have seen that. So if the question is to write derivative of sin x using first principle, you have to follow that method, taking limit and everything. Otherwise, directly we can write cos x. And d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x. D by dx of tan x, that is secant square x. D by dx of cot x minus cosec square x.
Sir, can you show the previous slide?
Previous line means which one? Previous page. This one. This one, no need of writing. This one just to understand, no need of.
Okay, sir.
This one, regard this as standard formula. This is how we are getting it. So remember this one, no need of.
Yes, sir.
Then d by dx of sec x. Why this learn by 5 student is there? D by dx of sec x. This is sec x tan x. D by dx of cosec x minus cosec x cot x. These are the 6 trigonometric. Now, completed. I can see few people from 11B5. They are in G1, no, G2. They are in G2. That's last period. Okay, 2 of you already took permission. Abdul Basit and Hamza, you already took the permission. The remaining, Ahmad Nazir, I think last day you asked me. Today also. Then Atta Hussain Rizvi, then B5. You're supposed to come in last period. Why did you come now? You have something else now. You have your other option now. Atta Hussain Rizvi, can you hear me? No, so he kept it open and went somewhere. Definitely. Okay, I'm removing him. I'm removing you. Okay, you're not responding means you are not there. You just kept it open. So I'm removing you. No, let me see. Yes. Yes. Anyway, he is not there. So I removed him. I kept him in waiting room. Yeah, now this one, coming back. So these are, again, you have to remember this formula. These are direct formulas, d by dx of. And see that, observe it, all those functions starting with c, their derivatives are negative. Cos, cot, and cosec. And see, there is some resemblance. Tan x, sec square x. Cot x is minus cosec square x. Cosec square. Here sec x, it's a product, sec and tan. Cosec, again product, minus cosec cot. So these are. Now, next one. D by dx of k into fx means to find derivative of a constant and function. It is k into d by dx of fx. d by dx of u plus or minus v. That means sum of two functions. This is du by dx plus or minus dv by dx. If you are saying this in words, derivative of sum of two functions is sum of their derivatives. Third one, with a star. This is called product rule. D by dx of u into v, uv. U into dv by dx plus v du by dx. Or we can write this as u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is easy to remember. U v dash plus, this is easy to remember. U v dash plus v u dash. See, in words, this is first function into derivative of second. First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first. So first function in sentence, whenever we get a product, repeat this in your mind. First function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first, or u v dash plus v u dash. This is called product rule. This is called product rule or UV. And next one is also important, quotient rule. D by dx of u by v. This is v du by dx. These are all formulas. Minus u dv by dx, the whole by v square. Or for convenience, we can remember it as v u dash minus u v dash by v square. V square. This is called the quotient rule. See, quotient rule, this is denominator into.
So the denominator is v squared or r squared?
V square, v square, v square. Here only v, u and v, no? There is no r here. Only u and v. V square. So in words, denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, the whole by denominator square. This is vu dash Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yes,
hear
sir,
you.
we can hear you, sir.
But something happened to my screen. I cannot see anything.
Sir, your camera is turned off, sir.
Camera is turned off. Okay, can you see the screen?
I can see.
Yes,
the
sir, we
screen.
can see the screen,
We
sir.
can see the screen.
Okay, my camera is turned off, no problem. Okay, anyway, you can hear me, you can see the screen, is it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's enough. Forget about my camera. Now, we'll do examples. Right, find or differentiate the following. Right, question, extra questions. Differentiate the following. With differentiate the following with respect to x. Sometimes even the question also WRTX will be given with respect to x. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First one. Three x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. See here, just see this one. We write the given functions y or fx we can write. Y is equal to 3x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 1. The question is to differentiate, it means to find dy by dx. Remember this one. Derivative of x raised to n. We know that n x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of x square using this will be so now whenever you see x square, don't waste your time in writing 2x raised to 2 minus 1. Directly write 2x. If so, what about x cube?
3x square.
It will be 3x square. Directly write it as 3x square. Don't waste time in writing 3x raised to 3 minus 1. No, don't go for it. Directly 3x square. Similarly, what will be derivative of x raised to 10?
10
It will be
X, Y, X, S.
10. Directly, you should know
Yes, right.
10 x raised to 9. Did you get the idea?
Yes,
Did you
sir,
get it?
we got the idea.
10 x raised to 10. Now, if it is 5 into x square, that's the first thing. We wrote it k into fx, a constant into a function. If it is a constant into a function, we can write constant out. So this 5 can be kept
5
as
into 2x.
Now derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. So 5 into 2x. Did you get it?
Yes,
If
sir.
it is 10 x raised to 4, directly 10 is constant. X raised to 4, it is 4x cubed. Did you get the idea?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, sum of two terms, 3x cubed plus 5x squared. That also we discussed it. If it is sum, then differentiate each term separately. That means, so here, this answer will be this 3. This 3 written as it is 3 into. Now, derivative of this x cube, derivative of x cube is so of x squared 3x cube. Again, this 5, this constant 5 as it is 5 into
2x.
derivative of x square is 2x. Again plus this
3.
constant 3.
3 into 2.
3 into.
Oh, sorry. 3.
What is derivative of x?
So, 0.
Derivative of x.
X raised to 0, sir.
0.
1.
1.
So x raised to 0.
1
One.
is
One.
x raised to 1 minus 1. What is x raised to 1 minus 1?
0.
0.
And
X.
any number raised to power of 0 is
1.
1.
1. So 3 into 1. So remember it. Derivative of x is 1. For derivative of x, it is 1. Okay, not equal. This implies this not equal to. So derivative of x is 1. Plus, now 1 is a constant. And derivative of 1 constant is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. So the answer will be 3 into 3. 9x square plus 5 2s are 10x plus 3. That's the answer. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Today, you can refer this formulas. Which formulas? These formulas. Next day onwards, without you had learned it. Next one. Second one. F of x is 4x squared 2 by x plus 3 root x. D by dx of f of x. 4 into. What is derivative of x squared?
2x.
Plus 2 into. Derivative of what we have to find here? Derivative of if 2
1
is,
by x.
2 is constant. So 2 by x actually, 2 by x means 2 multiplied with 1 by x. Is it? So this 2 is taken. 2 into derivative of 1 by x.
Minus 1 by x.
Minus
Minus 1 by x the whole square.
x square. Minus 1 by x square. See, it is into. Plus 3 into. Derivative of root x. 1
So
by
1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root x. So the final answer 4 2s are 8x minus 2 by x square plus 3 by 2 root x. That's the answer. Completed?
Sir, should we write this in standard form also?
Nothing. Directly keep it. That's it. What is standard form? That's all.
Sir, like the x power x square should be at
Nothing. This year you are learning how to differentiate. Not possible to do like that.
okay.
Leave it as it is. Next one. Third one. Y is equal to sin x plus 5x raised to 4 plus 10. Do it. Dy by dx. In the meantime, we'll take attendance. Yeah, some of you wrote the answer. Yeah, many of you wrote the answer. Okay, so derivative of sine x, it is cos x plus 5 into derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. Derivative of 10 is 0. So the answer is cos x plus 20x cube. Did you get it?
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, why is the derivative of any integer or any number 0?
Use that limit s tends to 0, f of x plus x plus h minus, use that formula, you will get it 0. Because f of x plus h minus fx will be h only. Right? So 0 by something is 0. Using that limit, using first principle, you can see it. It will be 0. So derivative of constant is 0 always. So now, see your textbook 13.2. Okay, now I will discuss it later on. So next one, fourth one. These are all extra questions. Now 13.1, I will not do any question. You have to do all questions. Y is equal to x plus 2 the whole square. See this one, first you have to expand it. X square plus 4x plus 4. Now find dy by dx. This is 2x plus 4 into 1 plus 0. So the answer is 2x plus 4. Completed? Next one. Now, y is equal to x square sin x. See this one. This is product of two functions. See, because x is repeated. The first function, this is u, and this is v, because it is product of two functions. And we know that dy by dx, this is uv dash plus vu dash. This means u, first function. See, better say that in your mind. While doing it, repeat that in your mind. First function x square into d by dx of second function, that is sin x, uv dash. First function into d by dx of second function plus second function sin x into d by dx of first function x square. U v dash, first function into d by dx of second function plus second function into d by dx of first function. Whenever you get this product, repeat that in mind in sentence. First function into d by dx of second plus second function d by. Then it will be easy. So that is x square into d by dx of sin x is cos x plus sin x into, leave a gap, dot, d by dx of x square is 2x.
2x.
What is common? X is common. If we take that x common, left out is x cos x plus 2 sin x. That's the answer. So it is UV. Did you complete it?
No, sir.
First function. So whenever you get a product, repeat that in mind. First function into d by dx of second plus second function into d by dx of first. Next one.
Is it not possible to do it directly? Dy by dx.
What is it?
So that we can do it directly, yeah. Click.
Directly means
Like-
how? How?
Is it not possible?
Directly means what do you mean by directly?
Like x square sin x, yeah. So we can write dx square.
2x into cos x.
Yes, sir.
UV, what is the rule for UV? If it is product of this one, is it u dash into v dash? Product rule. If we get derivative of a product, the formula, is it u dash into v dash?
No, sir.
No, this is the rule. This is called the product rule. So when we are getting product, you have to use this rule.
Okay, sir.
Okay, whenever you get product, do not write directly. You have to use product rule. The rule, this is done directly only. This is the rule. First function, derivative second, plus second function, derivative first. Next one. Y is equal to 3x square plus 4 into x cube plus 5x. See, this can be done in two ways. One way is opening the bracket, we get all 4 terms, then differentiate it separately. But the easy way will be
Product
u.
rule.
So this is u and into. This is v. So dy by dx. Repeat in mind. First function means 3x square plus 4 into d by dx of second function x cube plus 5x plus second function x cube plus 5x into d by dx of first function 3x square plus 4. First function into d by dx of second plus second function into d by dx of first. This is 3x square plus 4. What is derivative of x cube?
3x square.
3x square plus derivative of 5x.
5.
5. So we differentiate it. Once when we are differentiating, no need of writing d by dx. plus this x cube plus 5x as it is. D by dx of 3x squared.
6x.
6x. How 6x? 3 into 2x. Derivative x. Remaining simplification, you know how to simplify it. Just open the bracket, you will get final answer. Okay, leave it here, no problem. These are all examples. Opening bracket, you have to simplify, that's a homework. Expansion, opening bracket, you know. What is 3x squared multiplied by 3x squared into 5, 4 to 3x squared, then add like terms, that's the answer. So now see that, the same question, first open the bracket and differentiate those 4 terms. You can see, you will get the same answer. So this is UV product rule. Whenever we get product of 2 functions, we have to use this. Now exercise 13.2, except quotient. Quotients are coming only at 1, 2 questions. Question number 7, third bit, and question number 9, 6th bit. Only these 2 are quotient. Remaining all questions you can try by yourself. We will do few more examples in next class regarding product and this one. So tomorrow 10 o'clock we will either complete this